and it will take you to this page. And if you scroll down to privacy and the security section, all you have to do is press account privacy, and then here you could slide this to turn your account private, just like that. Again, this is for a personal account. Let me show you one more thing. I'm just gonna go back to a public account. Business accounts, if I do the same thing and if I go to settings, I won't have that section. The privacy and security is not going to give me that section to make it private. So on a business account, I will have to press switch back to a personal account so I could get that privacy settings back and then make my account private. So that's how you make your account private if you're on a business, by reverting back to personal, and your personal account can be private in the privacy and security option in the new layout on Instagram settings. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for a lot more easy to follow social media videos just like this one, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.